Can I apply veneer to materials other than just wood? How do I know which glue to use? And how do I know which backer to use from all the different veneer products you sell? The answer is yes. A lot of the success comes from which adhesive you choose to use and the type of backing that's on our veneer. Traditionally, if you're going to glue to other pieces of wood, we will use our PVA glues, what are considered to be your carpenter's glues. These are cheap. You can buy them at any local hardware store. You can put these on, make sure that you apply it evenly. We prefer to apply it with a roller, something that can distribute the glue in a nice even layer across the entire surface, and at the same time will provide great holding strength for any time you are gluing wood to wood. If you're going to use something like contact cement, we recommend that you would use a gel formula. Do not use the liquid formula. The liquid formula has a tendency to bubble up and leave little balls of adhesive that sometimes can be seen on the exterior side of veneer when you're finished. The gel formulas you can apply with a roller again, have it nice and smooth. The surface will have no drips as long as you apply from the center outward and follow the recommending drying times based on the manufacturer. If you are going to apply veneer to something like stone, we recommend using a two-part epoxy. Two-part epoxies are just that. You have a resin and a hardener. You'll have to mix those two. Only mix the amount that you are going to use. Once it's mixed, it will begin to harden. But these glues on this side allow you more working time so that it doesn't start to dry as quickly, including this last one here, which is called heat lock. Heat lock is designed to be used with a household iron. That's right, you can put this glue on the surface of your substrate, add your veneer over top, and apply a household iron, and the heat will help it to adhere very, very quickly with no clamps required. So these are just some of the options that you have when dealing with wood veneer from Oakwood. Of course, you can always call us here at Oakwood and talk to one of our specialists. They can recommend for you what type of adhesive and what type of backing material you should have on your veneer based on what you're gluing to. Another option we're proud to offer here at Oakwood Veneer is a backing material that has a self-adhesive sticker to it. This stuff, you can see obviously we partner with 3M. You can peel a piece of this off and apply this right to whatever substrate you have. Now, there are some key differences. The substrate needs to be very, very smooth and sealed. I often like to use this on glass. It holds very, very well to pieces of glass, but it can also be added to sheets of aluminum or metal, so long as that metal is clean and sealed. It can even be applied to wood. Again, it needs to be sealed so that this has something good to stick to. It can't be dirty or dusty. Why would you want to use this? Well, there are a lot of advantages to it. One, there's no smell. Another great advantage is this can be removed within about the first hour of being applied and repositioned. You're definitely not going to be able to do that with something like contact cement. So it's much less of a mess. It is more versatile in what it can be adhered to, and at the same time, it has great holding power and a great look that you would expect from here at Oakwood Veneer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow us on all our socials. If you have questions, feel free to call us or visit us at oakwoodveneer.com.